Hey yo guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? Right, today I'm going to show you a Euro NZD trade I actually placed yesterday at night time and it profited over 140 pips. We still have some space left for more profit, so hopefully this does come in. I'm going to show you my own analysis, the trade setup that I actually used to profit that amount of money. So make sure to smash that like button if you do enjoy these videos, and let's get down to business. Right now, this is the Euro NZD currency pair. As always, we're going to reverse engineer everything, always going from the monthly, weekly, daily, the 4 hourly time frame, and then maybe enter on the 1 hourly, usually the 4 hourly, but sometimes the 1 hourly as well. These are the main time frames I usually use, and I recommend them as well to you guys. Right, so monthly time frame, as you can see over here, is trending towards the upside. Right, it broke this nice psychological level as well, the 175,000 level, of course, and as you can see, trending towards the upside now, had a huge push towards the upside, again was stopped out via the psychological level, the 2.000 level. I mean, it's a very straightforward number, more than likely was gonna get respected in that area. As you can see, the price level was 2.000. That's literally a very important psychological level, so it's gonna be respected here, shot towards the downside, and now kind of trending towards the downside a little bit, but we also broke this monthly area of resistance as well. As you can see, every time we touch this area, some sort of price action move happened. Let's say shot towards the upside here, once it broke out, shot towards the downside, push downside, push downside. You get the point, right? Anyway, if we have a look at the weekly time frame, we can see everything a little bit more clearer, right? We can see this nice uptrend that we have, you know, the 1, 2, 3 touch pattern confirms a nice uptrend, and that's why we saw this huge move towards the upside. And there's nothing much to see on the weekly time frame as of yet. We can see the trend, we can see the area of sensitivity, you know, the yellow resistance zone that are marked. And let's go to the daily. Now the daily has a lot of important stuff going on that we have to mention, right? So it's currently trending towards the downside on the daily time frame, right? We have this move over here, this and this, right? It's 3 touches, you know, as always, the 1, 2, 3 touch pattern. What does it mean? It confirms a nice downtrend in this case, right? So we have this huge downtrend that was confirmed, and it's definitely there, you know, going towards the downside. So that has to be marked. It's very important level. We cannot ignore this level. But we also have, you know, the monthly area of uptrend as well, right, with the blue line over here. So if we just go back to the daily time frame, we can see some sort of, you know, squeeze pattern. As you can see, the market had shot towards the upside, went back towards the downside, respected the monthly uptrend over here, and then shot towards the upside, respecting the daily downtrend, and shooting towards the downside, respecting the area of resistance, right, or even the 1.75 psychological level that I did mention previously, right? So it's respecting in this area. So that's what we're seeing currently on the daily time frame. What else can we see? Well, we need a little bit more price action. We know that it's trending towards the, you know, downside on the daily, and it's trending towards the upside on the monthly time frame. So if we just go to the 4 hourly time frame, we can see this, right? This move is very important. Why? If we have a look, we had this 4 hourly uptrend, right? We had this 4 hourly uptrend. We can see it confirmed over here, 1, 2, 3 touch pattern. Should have been shooting towards the upside, and it did a little bit. I have to say, that's around, let's say if we just entered somewhere around here, 60 pips profit, you know, so it did shoot towards the upside. However, it was respected by the moving averages, which is also important. I always use the 25 and 50 as my indicators. They're literally my main indicators. I love using them. They're very accurate, and you should use them too, especially if you're a beginner forex trader, because it will help you out a lot by understanding what the market is actually doing. Because if you never traded on a naked chart, you will struggle to, you know, find areas of sensitivity, draw trend lines. So moving averages do help out a lot. So what do we have? We have the 4 hourly time frame, of course, right? The you know, 1, 2, 3 touch pattern was confirmed. Daily downtrend over here going down, you know, the 4 hourly, you know, uptrend over here going up. So what's happening? Squeeze pattern, and then what happened is shot towards the downside. So it's basically broke the 4 4 hourly uptrend, right? So this is very important. We entered our trade somewhere around here because also it was respecting the moving averages. Once it respects the 25 and 50 moving averages, usually how I enter is I wait some sort of move towards the downside. Once it breaks these, two moving averages, the 25 and 50, I see something in regards to this. I wait for a pullback. The pullback happened here, and then I got a bearish engulfing candle close. As you can see, this candlestick over here is a nice bearish engulfing candle, swallowing the previous 2 green candles, showing that the bear pressure is definitely there, should be shooting towards the downside. Thankfully, it did break this area of sensitivity as well, which was nice, and now it's shot towards the downside. So as you can see, this is the Euro NZD currency trade that I have. Currently $1,340 in profit. Obviously not yet reached the take profit level. 1.2 lot size trade, obviously not too big, not too small, but yeah, very nice indeed. Within 24 hours we managed to bank $1,300. It does not really happen too often, especially in Forex, because usually the volatility is a little bit up and down, and it just takes a week or two before we gain such profits. But in this case, Euro NZD did perform really well. So as you can see, shooting towards the downside. If it gives us a bearish engulfing candle close over here within the next 1 hour and 49 minutes, I will definitely leave this trade running for more profits. If not, I might close it off a little bit earlier on. But generally the trade scenario, always I'm waiting for a break of the moving averages, the 25 and 50. It broke out here, right? It had some sort of price action, obviously respected the 4 hourly trend line over here. But once I saw this bearish engulfing candle, I went for the trade and it shot towards the downside. Since it's trending towards the downside on the daily time frame, I knew more than likely the bear pressure will eventually come in and surpass the bull pressure, and that's what actually happened. It surpassed the 4 hourly bullish pressure that we had towards the upside, and because it was a squeeze pattern, it had to break towards the upside or the downside, and in this case it was the downside, which is what I wanted from this currency pair that I traded. So this was a very nice trade. If you want to join my VIP, make sure to do so. There will be the first link down in the description below. Also, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook pages. And if you have any questions or queries, make sure to contact me via the comment section down below, or just chat with me via social media as well. Anyway guys, this was it for this video. Make sure to smash like if you do enjoy this video, and take care guys. Have a wonderful day, stay safe and goodbye.